Okay, so how you can make amazing infographics? First, you have to find a topic. Before beginning any project, we must begin with two questions: what and why. We should know what the goal of each project, what the goal of each project is, and exactly why it's important. If you skip these two questions, two outcomes are bound to happen. Either you will start working and let's lost somewhere in the middle of the project, or you will create something awesome that has no purpose, which is quite sad. Do your research. Now that you have a stellar topic, it's time to do research. This step might take some time, but it's absolutely critical. So embrace it and dig in. Look for numbers. Stats and numbers do well on infographics because they are easy to digest and they hold a ton of value. They are both fascinating and can be represented in 100 different visual formats. It's a win-win for you and your audience. Gather visual inspiration. Now that you have all your numbers and stats, it's time to clear your head and gather visual ideas for your infographic. Some of my favorite places to be my search for visual inspiration can be found at Behance, Pinterest, and Dribbble. Design your infographic. You have come prepared with an awesome topic that your audience loves. You have data to back it up from sources, and your creativity is ready to explode from all the visual inspiration. Now it's time to design. Review for consistency. Way to go, you have come so far. Once you have your infographic initially laid out and designed, take a step back and get some feedback. Don't be afraid to ask your peers or friends for honest and constructive feedback so you can refine the design to perfection before hitting publish. Add a CTA button and credits. This is your final step. Your infographic is beautiful and filled with the awesome data. So now it's time to add that very essential call to action that will guide readers into doing what they should do next. Should they sign up for something or recommend it to a friend? Publish and share. Time to promote. This is where infographics become very handy because rather than making graphics to support your content on social, you already have an entire infographic to break down and use for social promotion.